am Yolandi from the Painted. As you can hear, I'm actually Afrikaans, but we'll just swing the English. I am originally from the Free State, a small town called Hinneman, but I'm currently residing in East London in the Eastern Cape, and we have just been loving it here. I am a mom of two girls, two very busy girls, and I've been married to my best friend, and he's been giving me the freedom to actually use our house as a canvas. But yeah, I've had my business for a while now. I've been working with Tjhoko for the last 2 years, and I've been loving it. Tjhoko has given me the opportunity to have my own business, create an income from it, and help people and clients to bring their ideas to life, which is just the best feeling. When you have someone coming in and they're not sure what they're wanting, and you can actually paint it for them, and they're just so happy. So yeah, I really do enjoy working with people and making beautiful things, and I look forward to all the projects to come. Hi, I want to share about the projects that I do. So this is a dresser that I did. It was the old-fashioned yellow pine dresser. So what we did is we sanded it down completely, and then I just sealed it. Painted this with super cement, and also the bottom two drawers. I'll share some photos as well, and then stenciling. The challenge that this one had is the knobs weren't all centered, so we had to take these out, and I covered them neatly, and then I used stenciling to actually cover the marks. What I like about this one is it's still quite neutral. The colors basically sort of any other color, and we added new knobs and also some feet at the bottom. Other challenge was also just moving it around. It's quite heavy, so it's nice to have a pair of arms that can actually help. So what I do is I've got clients in East London, and then we pick them up, and then we also drop them off if that's necessary. Clients can also drop them off with me. So yeah, this is one of the pieces. Yes, I am sitting on the floor now. This is another project that I wanted to share. This is quite special to me. It's in my bedroom now at the moment, where this one was standing in storage for longer than a year. It's an old oak dresser. Made some quite drastic changes to it. We took off the bottom and added new feet, sanded it, painted it with lovely Lorinda. I also painted the knobs with Levels Light and some gold leaf, which came up very nicely, and then also just sealed it. So this gave a classic look, and it just looks so nice. So this is one of my favorite pieces that I did. Not all of them I get to keep, which I wish I could, but mostly it would be items for clients. So I'm quite happy that I could keep these. I feel that these are my favorites since they are in my bedroom, so I really do like them. Thank you. Here I have another project that I want to share a little bit about. So this is a headboard that I redid. It was originally a table topper. So we removed the feet at the back, and we put some two stilts there to stand on, and a frame, and then I used some stencil Paris here to make patterns on, and then painted over it, sanded a bit just to give that little bit of detail. I don't know if you can see, and then of course sealed it. And then I also have a project up there which is very special. We did for the kids. I'll share a little bit on that later. Over here I've got another project that I would like to share. This is my project for back to school, which we're very excited for. Painted the walls in named. So that came out very nice and bright. And then I cycled some old shelving that I had on the opposite side, and the aging technique on it. And then I recycled some old chalk jars, so because we have a lot of them. So I painted them in various colors, from prettiest pink to Kay's candy and bright and Bob's blue mixed with white and not too shabby. So I used those colors for my color scheme. Painted some other items in the room just to make it nice and colorful for the kids, for their books, and an area where they can actually sit and do homework or paint or craft or whatever. It's one of my passions to create functional spaces and enjoyable spaces as well. So this is a nice fun project to do.